Welcome everybody to today's video. My name is Stefan. I'm here with FCP Euro, and today we talk all about our Proline engine flush. I'm going to try to answer every frequently asked questions and what you have to take care of when you use it. So first, what comes inside the bottle? To remove that cap, you have to press it and click it because it's a child safety lock. The second thing is there is a seal underneath it. You have to remove that seal before you obviously can pour it out. So by removing the seal, you see the product is very low viscosity. It's not thick like oil. There is a reason for that, which I'm gonna explain later. Engine flush is used to pre-clean your engine before you drain the used oil. It's absolutely normal that during the operation of an engine there are some deposits buildups, and you don't want to get your fresh oil contaminated with deposits. So that's why use engine flush prior to your oil change. It's very easy to use. Bring your motor oil up to operating temperature, add engine flush into your used motor oil and let the engine run just on idle for about 10 to 15 minutes. There is no need to go out for a ride, no need to put load on it, no revving up, just let it sit on idle for 10 to 15 minutes. What engine flush is doing within the 10-15 minutes of application time, it's kind of liquefying any deposits and make sure they stay in the used oil in the suspension, so that when you open then the drain plug, it gets everything flushed out of your engine. It's like the soap you use before you wash your hand. The water itself cannot clean your hands, so the water needs some kind of support, and this is the soap. The soap is the additive to loosen, to liquefy deposits that get then flushed away then. This is what engine flush is doing. So to give you an idea how tiny, how thin this little oil is, that's a common floss, and if you look on it, the floss is even bigger than this little hole inside. Can you imagine? Even the thinnest layer of deposits inside here could cause issues with the lubrication system there, and that is a very expensive part to replace. So we recommend to use Proline engine flush on a regular basis. Our recommendation is to use it once a year or every 10 to 15,000 miles, just as preventative maintenance. So that was kind of the overview of what the product is and how to use it. This is a highly recommended product to keep your engine as efficient as possible, increasing the lifespan. Let's take a look on some frequent asked questions the team here from FCP Euro gets asked very often. Question 1, are there any engines you should not use Proline engine flush into it? Technically, it's suitable for use for any four-stroke engine, no matter if it's gas or diesel, if it has a turbocharger, catalytic converter, diesel particulate filter, it doesn't matter. If it's safe, as long as you follow the given operating instructions. Question 2, can I use Proline engine flush on higher mileage engines? Of course you can. Just think about when your engine was new. No engineer in the world is designing deposits inside your engine. So an engine only runs efficient when there are 0 deposits. This causes the lowest possible wear and the best efficiency. So of course, even you have a higher mileage engine, make sure the engine internals are as clean as possible to have the best oil flow and the best lubrication. Question number 3, does it actually work? Absolutely. Our product contains, it's like a cocktail of different chemical ingredients. Yes, there are detergents inside, there are solvents inside, but no aggressive solvents. Some of the chemicals we use in here are actually part of modern motor oils formulation. Further, Proline engine flush in particular, we sell this product since more than 30 years. The product formulation is always getting evolved and updated as soon as there are new raw materials or ingredients available. So yes, it works 100% as long as you use it as directed. Speaking of as directed, and that brings us to question number 4. What happens if you don't use it as directed? We don't test what happens if you use it for an hour driving around the block with full throttle. When you use it as directed, that means 10 to 15 minutes with the engine running on idle only. It is 100% safe to use. Which leads us to the next question, number 5. Will it harm my engine? As I already mentioned, the ingredients we use are proven and well tested. They are not harmful for your engine as long as you use it as directed. So to clearly give you an answer, no, it will never cause any harm. The only thing it does, it optimizes your engine efficiency and optimizes the service life of it. Next question is, how much of Proline engine flush should I use? Well, one full can, which is 500 milliliters, is suitable for use with 3 to 5 liters of motor oil, which is 3.2 to 5.3 US quarts. If your engine has a larger oil volume, 7, 8, 9 US quarts, simply use 2 full cans per application, just to make sure the mixing ratio is enough to have the cleaning effect we want to have. If your oil level is a bit above the maximum after adding Broiler engine flush, is not harmful, because during the application the engine only runs on idle, that means with a low oil pressure. So there is no need to reduce the oil level before you add Broiler engine flush. Last question, which I'm already smiling, is what's inside it? So I can't tell you exactly what's in it. We use only materials or ingredients which are safe, which have been tested, but I know what's in it really works and is not harmful for your engine. Next question is, why is it so thin and does this harm my engine? So when you see your oil now is much thinner than you may expect, it's just a proof that Broiler engine flush was mixed in with the used oil, and all the contaminants and deposits are now in a solution and getting fully drained out of your engine. So I recommend to use this with every other oil change or every around 20,000 miles, which is 30,000 kilometers, as part of your regular maintenance. I mean, there is no harm in using it with every oil change, but if you use quality motor oil, have normal operating conditions, there is actually not really a need to use it with every oil change. If you like that video, there are more engine care product videos coming on this channel, so stay tuned.